Hello, delegators. Welcome to another episode with Titan Node, the #1 place to delegate your stake. Today, we will be talking about how to buy Livepeer tokens. This tutorial is for beginners who already own some crypto and want to learn how to purchase LPT using Uniswap. In this video, we'll be going through 3 steps. Step 1, setting up MetaMask. Step 2, transfer ETH to your MetaMask. And step 3, using Uniswap to purchase LPT. Let's get started. First thing we do is download MetaMask. MetaMask is a hot wallet that is used for the Ethereum blockchain. Let's go to metamask.io and we can download the MetaMask wallet. I am using Brave, so I will download the Brave browser version and add it to the Brave browser, which ends up as an extension. Once we download the MetaMask extension, we can now hit get started and create a new wallet. If you already have a wallet or seed phrase, you can go here and import that wallet. Otherwise, for today, we're going to be creating a new one. We're going to go ahead and say, I agree. And here we can type in a password. Hit I agree and create. We can go ahead and click next. And once here, we have our secret backup phrase. Now, our secret backup phrase is used to secure our wallet. We can go ahead and keep a copy of this. This is obviously a wallet that I just created, but we can copy this down or write it down onto a piece of paper. From here, we can enter the phrase that we had copied or written down earlier. Once we've put in all the words, we can hit confirm, and we have successfully set up our MetaMask wallet. Once we are in here, we have our MetaMask interface, and we can now transfer Ethereum to our MetaMask wallet to then use Uniswap. There is a couple other extra options with MetaMask. Create a new wallet, import a wallet, or connect to a hardware device such as a ledger or Trezor, which we usually recommend having hardware wallets, and you can follow the instructions there. The next step for this tutorial is to transfer Ethereum to your MetaMask. Now, this part is different for everybody. They may have their Ethereum on an exchange or on another device or hot wallet, and so the only part for this tutorial is to copy down the address to send it to. The way we do that in MetaMask is by just simply clicking the account and it copies down the Ethereum address. If we look at this address by example, we can just paste it here, and we have the address that starts with 0x and ends with a lot of hexadecimal numbers. This is what you're going to paste into your address of where your current Ethereum tokens are, and this is where it will be sent to your MetaMask wallet. Also, just as a note, different exchanges will use different terminology, like send or withdraw. As long as it goes to the same MetaMask account, you will be fine. And now for the final step in this tutorial, we have our Ethereum tokens. Now we are going to use a decentralized exchange called Uniswap to purchase our Livepeer tokens. So to do that, we go to uniswap.org. And once we get here, we can go ahead and use Uniswap. From here, this is the interface for Uniswap, where we can trade from Ethereum into any ERC20 or Ethereum token. To start, we're going to connect our MetaMask to Uniswap. And we click MetaMask as an option. There are a couple other options here for connecting to Uniswap, but today we're using MetaMask. And what's going to happen is in the top right corner, you're going to have a couple of options. I have 2 accounts hooked up to MetaMask, one with 0 Ethereum and one with some Ethereum in it. We're going to go ahead and select that one, and we can connect. Once it's connected, you'll actually see your Ethereum account address in the top right corner, and the balance has arrived, showing us our Ethereum balance. Just make sure you are connected to the correct address when you are using Uniswap. It can change sometimes if you have multiple accounts. So next we're going to use Uniswap in the interface. But first, Livepeer or any other token that isn't quite popular, it may need an extra step, and that is to look up the token to begin with. So we have our Ethereum, we're going to select token, and we can simply type in LPT to look up Livepeer. And you can see here that it's a little grayed out, and that is because it is a token that is far down on the list, and we need to import the Livepeer token into Uniswap to use. So we simply click import, and it might give us a warning saying that this token does not appear active. You can actually click on this and verify that LPT in this contract on the Ethereum blockchain is correct. But for this example, this is the Livepeer contract, and we can click import. Once we've hit import, we can now type in the amount of Ethereum we want to change into Livepeer. For this example, we'll be using 0.01. Now, the way Uniswap works, it's a decentralized exchange, and you might be able to get different prices based on different versions of Uniswap. There's version 2 here, for instance. So 0.01 Ethereum will get me 0.07. And if we click there, we can see that we actually do get a better price because we're going to be using Uniswap version 2. Now, Uniswap version 2 versus version 3 is for a different video. For this case, we just want to pick the one that gets us the best exchange rate. Once we've gone ahead and selected how much we want to transfer, we can hit swap. What's going to come up is a dialog confirming that we do in fact want to swap our Ethereum into Livepeer. It gives us a breakdown of the fees included, liquidity provider fees, and price impact, and as well as some slippage tolerance. I would recommend just using the defaults for Uniswap. Livepeer has enough liquidity that it can handle the amount that we'll be doing here. So next we're going to hit confirm swap. Now in the top right, you're going to see Uniswap is asking us to confirm the transaction. As you can see, the gas price right now is quite high. If you want to use the recommended gas price, you can just go ahead and click confirm, and it will give you your total gas fee plus total gas price, which is $31. Now, I'm not sure I have enough Ethereum in here to actually complete this transaction. For advanced users, you might want to go into edit and pick a slow, average, or fast rate. But picking slow, it might save you some Ethereum. You can go ahead, make that transaction. Today, I will be going into an advanced version where I will be setting my gas price to 10. I've used Uniswap quite a bit, and 10 should get me through within about 24 hours. From there, we can hit confirm. And we see that our transaction has been successfully submitted on Uniswap. We have an option of adding LPT to MetaMask by clicking this button. And it just simply adds the Livepeer token into our MetaMask balance area so that we can easily see and look up how much Livepeer we currently have. We can hit close. And in the top right, you'll see that our transaction is currently pending, and the Ethereum has not been deducted yet because the transaction has not gone through yet. So this may take a while, depending on how much gas fees and congestion there is on the network. We will come back in a little bit. Now that we've waited for the transaction to complete, you can now see that we have received our Livepeer tokens. If you open up the MetaMask account at the top right, you'll be able to see our current balances. We have our Ethereum in this account, as well as our Livepeer tokens we just purchased. Now with your Livepeer tokens, you can go ahead and delegate these to earn Livepeer and Ethereum rewards on the Livepeer network. If you need further information about your transaction that went through on MetaMask, you can go to Activity, click the latest transaction there, and view on Etherscan. Etherscan.io is a block explorer where you can view greater details about the actual transaction itself. Well, that concludes the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to support Titan Node, you can go to titan-node.com/delegate to stake your tokens with Titan Node. You earn Ethereum and Livepeer from delegating to the Titan Node Orchestrator. Thank you for watching and have a great day.